Coffee factories within Murang'a County have been directed to fully operate within cooperatives in order to efficiently run the factories. Semi-autonomous entities in the county have been partially blamed for the downfall of the coffee sector, and the county hopes to pull the industry back to its feet through cooperatives. Governor Murang'a Wa Iria says measures have been put in place to ensure Murang'a Farmers Cooperative Union takes full control of all local coffee factories. The governor met delegates from all the 146 coffee factories and agreed to bring them all under one umbrella to effectively manage the produce.
The audit was done and we have the audit results. So that will be one of the inputs into the revival program. I told you we have a board, Murang'a Coffee Revival Board, which is led by Professor Kinando. So we have all those audits, even factory to factory audits. Those are the ones which we are going to use as we implement change. So yes, they did it, we have the output, but then we want to use the output positively, not in a punitive fashion. We want to use that to cause change. It will not be business as usual as far as coffee sector is concerned.